Hi everyone, my name is Alex and this is my first YouTube video. I had a YouTube channel from 2012, but honestly didn't post any vlog videos like this one before. This is my first one. I've been inspired by other YouTube channels who are doing incredible things with their content. And here I decided to start a tech review and tech tips channel. And next week's first review will be with this one. My biggest mistake in history of my mistakes. I purchased an Intel i5 9th Gen and I own an MCI N270 motherboard and they just don't work with each other. So get a lesson from me. This is the first one. If you have a socket 1151 and you're buying 8 or 9th Gen CPU from Intel, consider that they don't work with all motherboards. You will need a 300 series motherboard to run this baby. So I'm getting the motherboard next week and we'll see is it any good. So I don't want to make this video too long. I hope for the first video at least you like it. If you like it, please subscribe and hit that like button. I'll be making upcoming videos the following week and I hope this journey will be great. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye, see you soon.